Be honest and tell me how many skincare products do you own and how many of them do you actually use? I think at this point, I've got enough skincare to moisturize an entire village because what you're looking at over here, this is just a part of my skincare collection. This is not the entire collection. This is, I would say, 30% of it. Every single day, we're told we need just one another serum, another toner, another cleanser, another ampule. Like, what even is an ampule? Most of the people don't know that, and brands उस चीज का फायदा उठाकर तुम्हारा पागल बनाती हैं so that you buy stuff just because it's trending. Now I feel like these brands have convinced us that our skin is just one shopping cart away from perfection कि एक last चीज खरीद लो, सब सही हो जाना है तुम्हारी स्किन के साथ. Do you actually need all of these skincare products or not? Grab a drink and let's chit chat. I feel like why everyone is so obsessed with skincare is because 20 years ago, all our parents had was soap, Borolene, Medimax, and that was quite it. They survived, right? But now it's morning routine, night routine, slugging routine, Korean glass skin routine, skin recycling, barrier repair, double cleansing, triple cleansing, quadruple cleansing. Like हम बर्तन नहीं धो रहे हैं. We're not washing dishes over here. It's our face. It's this skin. And I'm not a doormat, but trust me, you don't need all of that. The skincare industry is huge. Every single week कोई नया ingredient आ जाता है and they tell you कि this is what you need for your skin. अभी कुछ दिन पहले it was snail mucin. Now it's salmon DNA. What is next? By penguin tears? Now don't get me wrong, I absolutely love skincare. I mean, clearly skincare was meant for your skin to be healthy, but somewhere along the way we just lost that, and now it's just like a shopping hobby. Let's forget Instagram advertising and all that. Let's talk about what your skin actually needs. And that is just, you need only 3 products for skincare. Like, this is just your skincare foundation. You do not need a cleanser harvested with unicorn milk during the full moon. All you need is something जो तुम्हारे face को clean करे while it is not drying your skin or like stripping your skin barrier off. And you can definitely opt for something that is suitable for your skin type. Now, for example, I use this Dot and Key Sika Calming Gel Face Wash. This is meant for oily, acne prone skin, which is exactly the type of skin I have. Now, let's talk about the second thing, that is moisturizer. Now, moisturizer is like a blanket for your skin. किसी को पतला ब्लैंकेट लगता है, किसी को मोटी रजाई लगती है. It all depends on what you feel like and what is right for you, whatever keeps you protected. But the thing is, skin likes protection and moisturizer protects your skin. Now, the most non negotiable, sunscreen. Just imagine the scenario. You did a whole like a full face of skincare, you layered everything, toner, serum, moisturizer, this and that, and you didn't put on a sunscreen. When you walk out, that is like completely going to waste. It's like destroying your own progress. It prevents your skin from pigmentation, premature aging, and obviously protects your skin from the harmful UV rays. It lowers the risk of skin cancer as well if you're using the right one that actually protects your skin. So technically, if your skin is healthy, you could survive with just these three. Now, moving on to if you need sheet mask and face mask. My take on that is you actually don't. Sheet mask is just a serum on a piece of fabric. Now, वो तुम्हारी skin को hydrate करेगा and it will give you like that अच्छा सा glow for a little while. I mean, you can definitely use it before like an event, a shoot or something. मैं भी करती हूँ. But this is not something that is very necessary. अगर तुमने आज लगाया and उसके बाद तुमने कभी यूज नहीं करा तो your skin won't feel like serum deprived apparently. Now moving on to face mask. Like face mask is something that you have to wash off. Clay mask अच्छा होता है if you have an oily skin like myself. But for a person with dry skin, उनको सूट करेगा एक हाइड्रेटिंग मास्क दैट इज नॉन ड्राइंग. सो द कीवर्ड इज दे आर एक्स्ट्रास, नॉट द एसेंशियल्स. कि ब्रांड्स ने ना एक एक रूल सा बनवा दिया है कि दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड वीकली बट यू डोंट. You just don't need them weekly. You need them whenever you feel like. Now, let's talk about serums. They have convinced us that you need four freaking serums in your skincare routine. Mixing so many actives, like, since when is that good? You need a serum if your skin has some condition. जैसे कि अगर तुम्हें acne की problem है, acne है, oily skin है, then I would say salicylic acid, or you can go for benzoyl peroxide. For dark spots, you can go for niacinamide or vitamin C. For fine lines, you can go for retinoids. Can we just normalize not buying a skincare product because someone on your For You page with perfect genetics said, you need this? This will change your life forever. I have bought stuff because the influencers told me to, and I used them for some time and they didn't do anything for me, and now they're just sitting on my shelf looking expensive. Expensive does not automatically mean better. The thing is, the glass skin that you see on your phones today, that is usually backed up by good lighting, filters, and good genetics. So do you actually need skincare? My answer would be yes. But you need all of this? Probably not. Not as much as social media wants you to think. So इससे पहले कि तुम एक और सीरम खरीदो, just ask yourself, do you actually need this? या तुम सिर्फ influence हो रहे हो? So now if this video saved you from spending half of your salary on skincare products you didn't actually need, then I think I've earned a like. And if you enjoy beauty content that's fun, honest, and just does not make you feel like you need to have every single product, then you should definitely hit the subscribe button because we've got plenty of beauty myths to burst. The both of us will see you in the next one. Bye.